How to fix blurry Snapchat videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix blurry Snapchat videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Snapchat. Now, if you're getting blurry, if you're getting blurry videos, the reason can be your internet connection or, some dust on your camera or stuff like that. So to fix that, first check your camera if there has been some dust accumulated there. Just clean your camera once before you click a video and then try again. That's the first fix. The second thing that you can do is actually check for your internet connection. Your internet connection can also be responsible for the blurry Snapchat videos. The quality might have dropped due to your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can just disconnect and then connect back again if you think that your internet connection is the problem. So do that and yeah, your problem should get fixed. If that does not fix it, head over to your app store and update your Snapchat. Many bugs or issues might be the reason why your Snapchat is giving blur videos. So simply search for Snapchat on your app store and then update if an update is available. As you can see, there is an update available. Tap on the update button to update it, which will come with bug fixes and yeah, patches. And that is how you fix blurry Snapchat video, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.